You are a virtual assistant and you want to be able to handle more clients without having to work more hours. So you're kind of thinking half of the year is gone. You want to be harder to replace. Mas pag-aralan mo ang make.com and you can learn it absolutely for free. Watch this video until the end. Hi, I'm Mary and I teach people how to start working from home. What I realize is that nung nagsimula yung taon, most VAs are no longer being paid to do tasks. Napansin ko, mas nahahire ngayon yung mga VAs na marunong mag-automate ng mga repetitive tasks. Imagine before, may mga VAs that would spend 2 hours downloading leads, tapos i-update yung spreadsheet, tapos magsisend ng emails, tapos mag-update pa ng CR. Now, imagine all of that happening automatically. That is exactly what make.com does. So instead of becoming that person who's clicking the button, you become the person that's building the system. And the best part, you don't need to learn how to code. Learn this for free. Just go to help.make.com. Andyan ang lahat from getting started to creating scenarios, connections, tools, functions, everything that you need to know about the system is. Tag your friends and make sure to save this video para mabalikan niyo pag may time na kayo mag-aral. Client dust sa lahat ng mga VAs na nag-upskill pa rin kahit na may clients na sila. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!